In this class, we get to do a lot of building, which is hands-on. We learn the proper use of tools. We use safety measures. I'm seeing a lot of students that are so used to being told, this is how you have to solve this problem, that they don't know how to solve problems anymore. And so this class really gives students a chance, whether they struggle in reading and writing, math, communication, social aspects, or just problem solving. It gives them a chance to do something, work through the issues, revise it, modify it, rebuild it if they have to, and then be able to have the opportunity to come back and say, you know what, this is why this is happening.
I think what I get out of this class is we learn to build stuff and we get to work with tools that we've never got to work before. So right now we're building the board and I find that pretty fun because I skate. I've been skating for around 6 years. So to finally be able to build one myself is a lot of fun.
This class is really cool because we get to experience things like start building, and then it just teaches us new techniques on how to do stuff.
We're really excited that had the opportunity to visit the new logistic lab where our students are learning the latest in that particular field. And that is very important, it's very significant for our district and for our students because that demonstrates that our district is keeping an eye on what is happening in our surroundings and what is happening in the industry in our region. So having this particular lab in that school, at the Vista Del Lago High School, is a very significant addition to the programs and opportunities for our students to excel and to be prepared for the future.